Okay guys, I'm just giving you a update on my Elevate Money portfolio. If you're not familiar with Elevate Money is a platform, a real estate investing platform that allows you to invest in commercial real estate. Now, as far as their properties that they have in the portfolio, and by the way, I'll show you when I initially invested and all that stuff. So as far as the properties, it's a gas station, so it's actually commercial real estate. It's a gas station in the Family Dollar. This is where the Family Dollar is located, Fort Worth, Texas. It shows how much square foot it is and how much it collects every month in rent, which is $11,670. And as you can also see, let's go back a little bit. Oops. And the other one is a Shell gas station. Let's see. The other one's a Shell gas station. If you want to see, I think you can actually have it where you can see the location, but this is on the mobile app. And for the Shell, it's 9,722. Okay, so since we went over that, let's click on the portfolio. As you can see, my initial investment was in October 14th, 2022. That's when I made my first investment. And as you can see, the dividends came in every month. It was for November 15th, $55. December 13th, not $55, 55 cents. For December 13th, 53 cents. For January, 55. February 9th, 55, March 55, April 55, May 53, June 55, and July 53. So as you can also see based off of the chart, and I believe it shows the last 6 months, you can see the chart, and I've just been what they have reinvesting the money that they end up giving me. So I've just been reinvesting the dividends, and it shows you the amount each month. So by February, by March, April, May, June, July as well. They also have it where you can auto invest, like you put each month you put a certain amount. I don't typically do that. I test out a lot of different platforms, so for this one I don't have that much in it. Let's also see what else. They do have a referral thing. If you guys are interested, I can put it in there. I'm not going to put it in the description. I'm just trying to show you guys it. But if you guys are interested, just let me know in the comments and I can put the referral link. But as of now, I'm not going to have it in the description. So we're coming up about, let's see, October, it's July, August, September. So after about 3 months, I should have it for about a year. Now this is the mobile app one. They said they should have more properties coming soon. Hopefully they do. But right now they just have the Shell, which, yeah, so the Shell, which is in South Carolina. They have that. Let's see. On the regular website, you could actually see the view, but the mobile app, maybe not so much. They also have a, let's see, a news article or blog where they kind of give you updates on general topics regarding what the property they're going to purchase, and just information to keep you updated as well. Like chief investor offers press release, property equality and strategies, and things like that. Let's see if, okay, we went over that. I'm not going to deposit any more money, and let me just make sure I covered everything that I want to cover. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you new to my channel, I make finance and investing videos, And I make finance investing videos. I go over different investing platforms and different finance and investing topics. If you like this content, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel.